Hi, I'm Nithin Thomas, the CEO and co-founder of SQR Systems. So we're all used to using so many different types of devices to communicate nowadays, and we use so many different types of networks to connect to our data as well. So this causes two different problems. First of all, how do we guarantee the end-to-end security when we don't know where that data is going? And secondly, how do we ensure a consistent user experience when we have such a wide variety of devices and networks to cater for? And a lot of the current security techniques actually make this problem worse. So there's a need for a better way of doing security that allows you to maintain end-to-end security without compromising the user experience. So to understand the scale of this problem, just imagine there are going to be 2 billion smartphones in use by 2016 that are all connected using different networks and cloud services and so on. Add to that the 16 billion smart devices that are going to be connected using very patchy wireless networks and the growing threat of cyber attacks. And it's clear that this is going to be a really big problem in the future. So SQR Systems was set up to address some of these problems. We have two core beliefs. First of all, that good security means that you have to be independent of the infrastructure. It has to work over whatever infrastructure you have available. Second of all, good security must not get in the way of the user experience. So our patented combined encryption and compression technology allows you to optimize data in encrypted form in the network. So this means that every user gets the best user experience, but you're always guaranteed about the end-to-end security. So we built this whole thing as an open architecture software platform that can be easily integrated into enterprise and government infrastructure. So as a company, we were quite lucky to be revenue generating right from the early days. So we had some really good reference customers like BAE Systems, the Ministry of Defense, and the Department of Defense in the US. We also work a lot with other defense and intelligence agencies that can't be named for obvious reasons. Right now, we focus on three key verticals. Defense and aerospace is still a strong segment for us, but we also see a lot of opportunities in the technology, media, and telecoms and critical infrastructure protection segments. And along the way, we picked up a few awards as well. We've launched two products in the market to date. The first one is called Cirrus, and it's really aimed at the BYOD market. Cirrus is an app that allows secure voice, video, and messaging from smartphones, and it's now available on the Google Play Store. We're currently going through government certification on this, and our aim is to make this the standard for secure communications within government and enterprise. Our embedded software is really aimed at the IoT market and can be integrated with sensors and cameras in the field. And using our technology, we can provide a really good data link without compromising on the security. In terms of our go-to-market, we rely heavily on channel partners. So we're already working with several global telcos and handset manufacturers around the world, and the app stores as well. We're also integrating with various other third-party software platforms, but we also sell directly to government and enterprise as well. So in terms of the industry, there's a lot of other companies out there that are focusing either on the security side or the user experience side. But as far as we're aware, we're the only company that can do both. Our combined compression and encryption technology is what's unique about our proposition. Combine that with the disruptive pricing model that we have, and we think we're in a really unique position. We have a team that has a good blend of youth and experience. Our chairman used to be the controller of the UK Royal Navy and a director of the MOD. And our independent non-exec used to be the global chief operating officer of Global Strategies Group, which is a company that she built from a 4-person startup to a global $500 million organization. My co-founder and I, we met at university where we did our engineering degrees together. So we're really looking to engage with early adopters today who are interested in trying out some of our products. So if you think the Cirrus could be interesting, please come and talk to us and we can set up a 3-month free trial account for you. We're also going to be doing a fundraising round later in the year. So we're particularly interested in talking to strategic investors that have a good sense of humor. And if you're a member of the press and want to make us famous, please come and talk to us. Thanks.